A small thought of relocating to a new city or state is the ultimate invitation to stress. Moving is full of challenges, difficulties and a lot of stress. But stress won't do any good to your move and health. So, follow these tips from moving experts at Van Lines Move and stay away from stress while moving. Plan ahead of your move. To stay stress-free during the move, it is recommended to plan it 4 to 8 weeks ahead of the moving date. Van Lines Move can help you plan an efficient and easy move. Use our moving cost calculator, packing calculator, moving planner, and moving checklist so that everything can be completed on time. Divide the task. Moving means multiple tasks and a pile of responsibilities. But you should not be alone while planning the move. Sit with your family and friends and divide the tasks among them. You can involve children as well by asking them to pack their room. Set your budget. Moving can affect your budget, and to avoid any financial stress it is better to set a moving budget. Van Lines Move Moving Cost Calculator can help you calculate the approximate cost of your move, and with that, you can set a budget easily. You can also request multiple moving quotes to compare and evaluate the approximate cost of the move. Moving Day Plan. While planning the move, plan your moving day as well. Pack valuables and documents separately, pack a bag of essentials, pack some food, water and beverages, book childcare and pet care services and more. All these preparations will reduce almost 40% of your stress. Plan your move with these tips and suggestions. Van Lines Move can help you plan a stress-free move. Just ask for free moving quote at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800.